Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Today we are checking out the Yaheetech queen-sized bed frame. This features a padded um, headboard and exterior with a powder-coated black frame. The headboard is adjustable to different heights based on your mattress. And what's really cool about this bed is it has a bunch of storage. And just looking at it, it just looks like an elegant, beautiful bed. But if you come in close and you just lift up here and pull out, you can see that you have storage, all kinds of storage to put in books and games and kids' toys and everything else, my friends. This just all features a lot of this. You have 4 drawers, 2 on each side. And if you don't have a chest of drawers, you can put your clothes in there, extra blankets, anything you want. And what's nice is this is off the floor. These are on rollers, so you can keep your items off the floor, and then you don't have to crawl under your bed to access them. So just a really functional and exceptionally nice looking bed, I think. So let's check out the install here real quick, shall we?